Fifth grade Shurley method, page 46, part 2, exercise 2. Underline each verb or verb phrase that identify the verb tense by writing in number 1 for present, 2 for past, and 3 for future tense. And then we need to say if the past tense form is regular or irregular. A loud noise will frighten the timid animal. What is the verb or verb phrase? Present, past, or future? Future, right? So 3. Okay. What is the past tense form? Frighten. Regular, irregular. Rabbits have been eating the vegetables. What is the verb or verb phrase? Have been eating. Present, past, or future? Present. Okay, because of what word? Have, right? Okay. And also been. Okay. What is the past tense? Ate. Regular, irregular. Mr. Jones will not leave until the afternoon. What is the verb or verb phrase? Will not leave, right? Actually, not isn't one. It's just will leave. So remember, there can be a space between it. Present, past, or future? Future. Past tense? Left. Regular, irregular? Irregular. Okay, number 4. The southern states produce cotton and rice. What is the verb or verb phrase? Produce. Present, past, or future? Present. Number 1. Past. Produce. Regular, irregular? Okay, and then 5, 6, and 7 you guys have for homework. Okay, so they have a whole bunch of different mixed tenses. So it's either in present, past, or future up in the paragraph that they already have, and they want us to put it in past tense form. My friends and I were playing. No, that one's still past tense. It's okay. We're playing kickball in the vacant lot beside our house. I waved at my dad as he carried the garbage out to the curb. He only smiled because he had 4 sacks of garbage in his hand. Suddenly, Jim the ball and it rolled toward Dad. Dad tripped. Don't forget to double the P. Over the ball in garbage. Blue. Everywhere. Dad landed right in the middle of the garbage. My friends and I were horrified, but Dad looked at us and grinned. What a dad. Okay. We're going to go ahead and just mark off exercise 4. Okay, so you guys have 5, 6, and 7 for homework.